Welcome to today's video. This is our second video in our video series on Learn Proteus and Arduino programming. Today we are going to learn how to download the Arduino IDE, install it on our computer so we can program a virtual Arduino board in Proteus using it. Stay tuned, it should be fun. Okay, so to download the Arduino IDE, first we'll go to Google and we'll search for Arduino. You can add the download to it, and we'll use the first link that pops up. Following the link, it will take us to the official website. That's the download page on the official website of Arduino. So we'll scroll down and then we'll see the various options that are available. So if you are using a Windows PC, you would have to select this option. If you are using MacBook, you select the Mac OS option. If you are using any Linux OS, these are your options. So those using Ubuntu or any other OS, any other Linux OS, you can select this. But because we are using Windows 10, I'm going to select the first one. Alright, so this takes us to a donation page. Because Arduino is an open source platform. Most of the work and the research they do it for free with the aim of improving microcontroller programming. So if you have the means, you can just select any amount and then donate to their cause. If you don't, you can just click on just download, and then your downloader should just pick it up. And once your downloader picks it up, you can click on the start download to download it. Once downloaded, we'll navigate to where we downloaded it, and then we'll start installing it. Alright. Okay, so once downloaded, we are going to go to the folder in which our download is. So I am going to the folder where I downloaded my Arduino, and this is it. So I'm going to double click it to begin the installation. So the installation process just started, and we are agree. We just leave everything as default, click on next, install, and then the installation process should begin. Alright, so finally our installation is over. That was a long wait. Okay, so now that the installation is over, we can close it. If it's your first time installing the Arduino IDE, it will probably ask you to install some other driver settings or drivers. So they all pop up automatically, and then you can just hit install until you are done installing everything. Alright, so now we are done installing our softwares. I'm going to move to my desktop so that we'll see the Arduino IDE. So alright, so I'm on my desktop now. This is the icon for the Arduino IDE we just installed. So I'm going to double click on it, and then it will take a while to open, but when it opens, we'll have the interface where we can write the Arduino code. This is actually a text editor that allows you to write your program or your code for the Arduino microcontroller, and we'll learn how to use the software like this editor. But before we even do that, first I usually want to do some settings before we proceed. So let's go to File and then hit Preferences, and then for personal use, you can set the font editor to 14, and then please always make sure you have checked this show verbose output. Make sure this is checked, and then also check display number line, so that if you're having any issues, we'll be able to tell which line the error is. And also take note of this file directory. This is actually where every code we'll write will be stored by default. Okay, so it's in Documents in a folder called Arduino. Alright, so now we are done installing the Arduino software, and the next thing will be to add the Arduino library to the Proteus software so we can start programming in Proteus. We'll do that in the next video. Stay tuned, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like this video, and share. Hit the notification button also, so that whenever we add a new video to our channel, you will be notified accordingly. Thank you. Have a wonderful time.